Hi guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's the day before my boyfriend's birthday, and sadly I'm doing a middle shift. That means I have really little time to get stuff done before and after my shift. My boyfriend also just left, so that means I have less than an hour to get everything prepared. So I thought I'd quickly start this vlog, show you guys all the bits that I got, tell you the plan, and then we're gonna get prepping. I sent a request to the head baker to make me a very special cake for his birthday, so we are gonna pick that up at the end of my shift. And I also got these number candles from Marks & Spencer. I think this looks so cute. They are indeed the same ones that I used for my birthday. And then I also got these happy birthday stand cake type of thing. I think this is so cute and it's gonna go so well with the colors of the cake. I mean, literally how cute. As for his gift, I basically got him and his best mate to beer festival tickets. I really hope he's not expecting it, because he did see me scrolling through the website at some point by mistake, but yeah, hopefully he's not expecting that. But I hate the idea of him not having anything physical, so I went ahead on Canvas and actually made some physical tickets. I printed these off at work. I think they turned out so cute. I also decided to make this little beer label. He says his nickname and then he says happy birthday love, and I never call him this way, I always call him Giuseppe, but I decided to go for a Peroni label and it was just easier to copy and paste the P-E-P-P-E. So this is what we're left with. I do have an empty bottle of Peroni, and so the idea is I'm gonna put this little label over here, glue it on, and then I'm gonna put the ticket inside. I'm gonna try and see if I can find some shredded paper at work to put inside it, but I think it's definitely turning out so cute. Oh, and also got him this cute little birthday card. Everything is low-key beer related. Oh well. This one low-key opens two-way, so it has a little like pre-message over here, and then I need to write something on this side, so hopefully I'll get to do that before I leave. He's low-key gonna have a lot of cards to open. My parents did send him one, and I've also found this one from his mom. She hid it somewhere when she came and visit, and good thing I found it before him, so I can just give it to him on his birthday. And while we're on the subject of birthday cards, the one that my mom sent me for my birthday is finally here, so I thought we could open it together. Here she is, very cute. As for tomorrow's plan, you guys may know that I received this little voucher for my 1-year anniversary in my workplace, and it entitles me to a complimentary meal. And so I went ahead and booked a table for us two. I'm actually really excited to try the menu. I haven't gone to the restaurant since way before I joined the company, so that's gonna be exciting. And then after that, I originally wanted to go to Horizon 22, but I don't know why there were not tickets for the 17th. But as I was doing my research, I found out about these other rooftop garden type of thing, and this one is free to attend, you don't need tickets, so I think we're gonna go there. Finger crossed the weather is nice. Okay, so now that you're caught up with everything that's going on, I'll talk with you guys later.
Take a chance, wait tonight. I'm a little bit overdressed just to find love in a stranger's home.
Okay, I just got back home. The cake looks incredible. Let me show you guys. Here she is. Let me take it out of the bag. Oh my god, that looks so good. And the details. I also just finished my DIY bottle. I think it looks so good. The little shredded paper inside was definitely what was missing, and I'm just so happy on how it turned out. I finished to write a card, so I think we're all ready for tomorrow. So let's fast forward to that.
Wow, che bello, non me lo sarei mai aspettato.
Girala.
Pepe, buon compleanno. Che bello. Hai pensato che potesse essere difficile uscire queste cose?
Enjoy.
London Craft Beer Festival.
Se quello stronzo del tuo migliore amico rispondesse ai messaggi.
All your beer included with the ticket. Bello.
Ti piace?
Grazie amore. Sì, mi fai ubriacare sempre.
Te l'aspettavi?
No. Bella ragazzata. Contemporanea.
L'accendiamo?
Accendiamo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Searching for you in somebody else.
Welcome back to the vlog. The surprise was indeed a success, like you guys saw. We're now about to head over to Italy for our lunch reservation, but before we go, let me quickly show you guys my outfit of the day. Starting with my Stradivarius sweater. I originally just wanted to wear my Jennifer crop top, but it's still too cold to do that, so decided to pop this guy on. And then as of my jeans, you guys have seen these before. These are from Terra Nova. And of course, I'm finished the look off with some Converse. And my little red Chloe. It's been quite a while since she made an appearance, but she's back. Jokes aside, let's go.
In my head about us. Trying to find the words I just can't say. I was running around you, watching words and biting my tongue. There's something about you, indie movie scene when we talk. I don't wanna waste all this time just running around you.
Hello vlog, it's the following day. We ended up chilling on the couch for the rest of the day. Yesterday we definitely ate too much to the point that we were super full and ended up skipping dinner altogether, but it's a new day. We do feel better now. We were debating whether we wanted to go to Southend-on-Sea and have like a fun day out today or go to the mall, and to be fair, the sun is out, so we could have gone for the first route, but we did prioritize sleep, and so we are going to the mall instead. I think I'll take you guys along for the rest of the weekend. I also have a bit of a drinking activities tomorrow with the girls, so that's gonna be super fun. I will of course take you guys along, but let's start with today. I just got ready. We're about to head out. I'm not really interested, I guess, in buying anything but a face mask from Lush. I got quite a few empty pots that I want to trade for a fresh one. We'll see where the day ends up taking us. Oh my god, this coffee table is so cute.
To him, run it back. Everybody here's all the same, in it. Funny how
Hi guys, happy Monday. My to-do list for today is definitely up to the roof, and there's probably something more productive that I could and should be doing right now, but I was in a very yuppie mood, so I thought I could continue this vlog. I had the best time with the girls at Swift. Hello there. Like I mentioned in my birthday vlog, that is low-key one of my favorite cocktail bar, and both my friends really loved it. I definitely got home quite late last night, around 10:30, and then I just ate my Caesar salad and chilled on the couch until my boyfriend got home. I mean, I had a super fun night, don't get me wrong, but once I go back home I was not in the mood to do like anything other than chill on the couch. But I really loved the conversation that we had, and I feel like I, you know, finished all the night with my cup half full. And it's such a weird thing to say, because I feel like in the past I had friendship or like relationship, and I would go out with these people, and then when it was time to come back home I would always feel like super like drained, and my cup was never full. If anything, I feel like they soaked all the energy out of me. But yeah, it's nice to have my cup full for a change. I do have a few hours to spare before yoga, so I thought I could quickly show you guys what I got from the mall. I did end up trying this Bershka dress on, and in theory it was super cute. Loved the color as well, but there was just something odd with the way it fitted, so I did not end up getting that one. All I low-key got were some essentials from Primark, and this is low-key what I'm referring to. I ended up getting 2 pairs of these white socks. I don't know how, but I literally only owned 3 pairs, so I definitely needed some of these. And I also got some clear tights, and then of course I cannot go to Primark without buying some Essence and nail polishes. I got this cute yellow one, if you know, you know. And then also this very cute lilac or bluish type of nail polish. I did order a little corset top from Vintage as well. I'm probably gonna collect the parcel on my way to yoga and then show you guys it later on. And I have a vision, okay? I got invited to these short film premiere. I don't really know how I would feel about the corset because I'm not usually a corset type of person. Also, it's very sheer. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but I just have a vision in my head and I hope it works out. Long story short, one of my colleagues at work made this short movie and he invited all of us to the premiere, and I'm super excited. I never got to like experience something like that, so I'm super excited to go. That's happening on Thursday. I'm gonna try to bring you guys along, but also I've never really been to like this sort of event, so I don't want to be disrespectful by having my vlog camera out. I guess I'm just gonna read the room and see what the vibe is. But with all of that said, I do indeed need an outfit, and when I asked him about the dress code, it said it should be like elegant, and that low-key threw me onto a bit of a rabbit hole because I don't really own any like heels, and the only shoe that I have that I could wear is a pair of Dr. Martens, and if there's something Dr. Martens or not, it's elegant. And so I don't really know. I guess I'm gonna wait for this corset to arrive and then we can assess the situation. I'm also going to be attending a concert on Saturday, so I could possibly wear the corset at the concert if I'm not wearing it at the premiere. I was thinking of including the concert in this vlog, but I think I'm gonna do a whole separate vlog about that, so definitely stay tuned. Talking about exciting things to stay tuned, your girl is indeed gonna go to Superdrug Present 2026, and I'm so excited because I managed to get some resale tickets. Okay, now that you're caught up with pretty much everything, let me quickly go ahead and tidy up the flat, and then I'll see you guys after yoga.
Talk about time and now tell me more than just your name. Tracing fingers down along my knees, just share another secret with me. Do you see me in somebody?
Okay, we're back. Yoga was so good. As always, I do have my Vintage parcel with me, so let's open it up. Okay, so here's the corset top right out of the bag. I think this might be slightly big on me. I got it in a size small. Maybe I should have got it in an extra small, but let's try this on and see. Here we have it. I did indeed went ahead and change into what I was picturing, I guess, in my head. I don't think this corset is meant for me. I do think it sits very low, which maybe is normal. My boobs are definitely on the smaller side, so I don't know, maybe if I had bigger boobs it would have looked better. This is how it looks with the blazer on, which I do think is slightly better, but I don't know. What do you guys think? So it's a couple of days later. I originally wanted to end this vlog right after the premiere, but I was too tired once I got back home to actually set up a camera and talk with you guys, and so here we are today. I decided to dive into the short film without knowing what was going on. Like, I didn't want any spoilers, and oh my god, when I'm telling you guys that I almost cried, I freaking almost cried. I think he did an amazing job. I am gonna link his Instagram and his website if you guys wanna follow along and like know a bit more about the project, but so good. With that being said though, we are reaching the end of the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see from me, if you like these weekly vlogs, and of course if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
me standing. I walked away.